capacity of 22.4 Marriott 3 and a load capacity of 24,000 kN axles can help prevent ground compaction. It's absolutely mind-blowing to watch the massive Cat 790 Medimba with an operating weight of 1,775,000 lbs being transported on city streets by Volvo trucks. This might be part of the mining equipment transportation contract for Finding Chile by TX Group, showcasing their commitment to the mining industry with efficient and safe logistics solutions. It's like witnessing parts of the Autobots from Transformers come to life. Talk about adrenaline to the max. The legendary Mack R600, the best truck in history, loaded with wood in Honduras. Watching it leave the hill, trailed by a D5 tractor, really highlights the danger and skill involved in one of the world's toughest jobs. Number 19. Wow, the LR13000 is a true beast in the world of cranes. With a lifting capacity unmatched by any other conventional crawler crane, it's perfect for massive projects like power plant construction and refinery setups. It can handle weights up to 1,500 tons and columns 100 meters long. Plus, despite its enormous size, it can be transported cost-effectively around the world. Truly impressive engineering. Number 20, the Panther Series 2. Low loaders stand out with their payload range from 80,000 kilodom to 1,000 kilo, making them ideal for heavy-duty mining equipment. Designed for the harshest conditions, they feature seamless ramp-to-platform transitions, full-width ground contact for stability, and remote-controlled raising-lowering for safe operation. Plus, the integrated wet brake system and modular design ensure reliability and cost efficiency, perfect for autonomous operations. Number 21. The Camrock DMW 220 is a beast for excavation, suitable for excavators in the 35-50 ton range. It offers cutting widths of 130, 200, and 400 millimeters. It delivers a max torque of 47,000 Nm at 380 bar and operates with oil flow rates up to 600 Nm. It's built to handle reinforced concrete with 30 mm rebar. The main unit weighs 2,650 kilos, the immersion aid 920 kilos, and the protective cover 180 kilos. Definitely a top-tier cutter wheel for tough jobs. Wow, watching that Scania 113 navigate the dirty, slippery quarry road was intense. It needed a tractor to get through. The truck's owner clearly takes impeccable care of it. That 113 is pure gold. It must have been heartbreaking to see it struggle. What a stunning machine. God willing, I'll have one like it someday, perfectly equipped to my liking. It's absolutely incredible to witness the massive white tank being transported through Dechin. The sheer scale of this excess load is mind-blowing. 67.2 meters long, 5.8 meters wide, 7.55 meters high, and a whopping 398 tons. AL's got that vintage vibe going on with those old truck cabs on the dollies. It's like a throwback to the good old days, but with a modern twist. And check out those power packs lashed together with ratchet straps. It's a little bit Heath Robinson, but hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This video proves that AL's got the perfect blend of old school ingenuity and modern heavy hauling muscle.
That is a tight turn.
Look at that monster of an abnormal load navigating those narrow Welsh lanes. It's like threading a needle with a semi-truck. Alleless haulage is showing off some serious skills here, maneuvering that beast with the precision of a surgeon. They're not just moving cargo, they're defying the laws of physics. Witness the extraordinary Scania S770 from Lau Kirchhoff, a cement screed floor specialist, captured in action at a construction site in Deventer, the Netherlands. This impressive machine showcases the perfect blend of power and precision in a high-stakes environment. Do you know what country this is in? What is that big thing they are carrying going to be used for? Please comment below. But I'm really worried about this heavy transport. It's very chaotic. Watching the unloading platform in action was a wild sight. A box truck full of potatoes being emptied without an automatic dump truck system. Unloading floor dump trucks are versatile, designed for flour, feed, potatoes, fruit juices, and raw materials. The 44 Iron Rhino flail mower mounted on the powerful IR1000 with a Perkins diesel engine. This combination delivers unmatched mowing efficiency and reliability. Whether tackling tough vegetation or maintaining large fields, this setup ensures smooth operation and superior performance. The double spall is an incredibly versatile tool, featuring both rear and front frames with a 3-point coupling. Its hydraulic widening system simultaneously opens both the right and left sides up to 50 cm or 40 cm, and it includes a mechanical adjustment for work height. With hydraulic chute removers powered by 2 quick couplings, it operates efficiently with a flow range of 25-35 LT/m. Under the Vine Weeder Pelling top-notch performance from the Under the Vine cultivator. The electro-hydraulic weeders and self-contained hydraulic power pack handle various soil conditions with ease. The unit's control panel and adjustable sensing rod make it precise and easy to use. iSeeki SF450. For those in need of serious mowing power, the iSeeki SF450 delivers. This center collect rotary mower features a 1.52 main/60 deck and a whopping 1,300-liter hopper, making it perfect for large-scale lawn care. Its high productivity and efficient grass collection system make mowing large areas a breeze. The SF450 is a fantastic investment for any serious landscaper. Yanmar Onion Picker. Walking type with steel. Container housing specifications. Transplant systems. This fully automatic crop transplanter is planting up to 30,000 onion seedlings per hour. Transplant systems specialize in building planting machines that can rapidly and reliably plant most brassica, such as lettuce, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, etc. Dwar's Shaker, potato digger with lateral unloading that can be mounted on tractors, equipped with 3-point linkage and power takeoff, PTO. LT has been designed for harvesting potatoes on small and medium-sized ground plots. The machine is made up of a digging plowshare with 2 blades in the CPL model, with 3 blades plus 2 grass-cutting discs in the CPLD model, recommendable for grounds with infesting leaves or grass, and 2 transversal and alternate shaking grids that are handled by a camshaft that is balanced by a rear flywheel. Alter, they have been separated from the earth. The potatoes are deposited laterally on the ground on a single row, thus allowing the tractor to dig row by row. Man, I'd love to get behind the controls of that D8T. The sheer power of that Cat C15 engine is enough to make any gearhead drool. Watching it push that giant stone is like watching a superhero at work. It's the kind of machine that makes you want to conquer any challenge. And this is the best way ever to clean the tracks out. Whoa, this is like watching a parade of giants. Seeing that massive generator snake its way through the narrow streets of Felixstowe is mesmerizing. The sheer size and weight of this load is mind-boggling, and the precision required to navigate such a densely populated area is awe-inspiring. Alley's Heavy Transport is clearly a master of their craft, from route planning and traffic management to the specialized equipment needed to safely transport such a massive object. The Variaflame is a testament to innovation in agriculture. Its ability to selectively treat weeds and diseases with high-temperature flames while preserving plant health underscores its practicality and environmental benefits, an essential tool for modern fruit and wine growers. The New Holland 216 twin rake is engineered for durability and performance. Features like rubber dynatines for long life and easy maintenance, along with a robust frame design, underscore its reliability in the field. A must-have for farmers looking to streamline hay raking operations. The Solus SL-RV Durona 8 baler is a compact powerhouse. With its 80 cm working width and ability to produce up to 120 rolls per hour, it's perfect for small to medium-sized farms. Whether you opt for manual or automatic bale ejection, its central chain lubrication system ensures smooth operation and reliability. Horselead PT 270 36ME 8,000 liter PT 270 sprayer is powered by a 270 HP Deutz engine, which drives through a mechanical transmission. Include pneumatic nozzle control and the option to have single, double, or quadruple bodies with 50 cm or 25 cm spacing. The Case IH-MX 120 is a classic powerhouse. With its Cummins CDC 5.9L 6-cylinder diesel engine delivering 120 HP, it's built for robust performance in the field. Features like electrically actuated differential lock and power steering ensure excellent maneuverability and control. Quantum Mist Kiwi Sprayer, Kiwi Liner. The most compact sprayer on the market, the Kiwi Liner delivers the ultimate coverage and air droplet control with the purpose-built 820 front entry Theany fan. The Medema 230 trailer is a beast in the field. With a massive capacity of 22.4 mm and a load capacity of 24,000 kg, it's built for heavy-duty hauling. Features like hydraulic suspension, electronic, hydraulic force steering, and hydraulic braking on all wheels ensure smooth operation and control. The Megasquirt Air Blast Sprayer is a 200-gallon engine-driven sprayer designed to be pulled by small tow vehicles that might not have a PTO output, such as UTVs and RTVs. Its compact design helps it fit in tight row spacings, and the optional walking beam axles can help prevent ground compaction. Number 12, the Komatsu P&H 4800 XPC, a marvel in mining equipment. With a nominal payload of 135 short tons and a dipper capacity of 8692 cubic yards, it's engineered for heavy-duty operations. This powerhouse moves 9,000 tons of material per hour and loads a 360 metric ton hauler in just 3 passes. Plus, its adaptive control technology enhances productivity by 20% and reduces costs per ton by 10%. Number 13, the Sandvik LH5 on Mateep B, a powerhouse in underground mining with an 18-ton load capacity and a cutting-edge 4.5-meter nose size. With a tractive effort of 450 kN and a climbing ability of 12 km/h at a 20% gradient with a full load, this machine is designed for efficiency. Its continuous power output is 560 kW, 750 HP, peaking at 60 kW, 885 HP. Built as a third-generation BEV, it surpasses older mechanical equipment, offering unparalleled power and performance. Number 14, the Bucyrus MT6300AC is a top-tier haul truck with an incredible payload capacity of 450 tons, powered by a 3,750 HP diesel AC electric engine. This truck is built for heavy-duty hauling. It can reach speeds of up to 40 mph even when fully loaded, making it highly efficient for large mining operations. Impressive engineering from Bucyrus International. Number 17, Big Roy is a true legend in agricultural history. This unique concept tractor, built by Versatile in 1977, has been magnificently restored. Weighing in at 62,000 pounds with 8-wheel drive and a powerful 600 HP Cummins KTA 1150 engine, it's a beast. Hats off to Firestone for donating those massive 30.5x32 tires. Number 18. With a weight of 32,000 kilos and a powerful CAT engine delivering 415 HP, the Locotrack LT200 HP is a heavy-duty machine built for tough jobs. The compact transport dimensions of the Locotrack LT200 HP make moving between sites a breeze. With the Nordberg HP200 cone crusher, it ensures high productivity and superior end product quality. Perfect for those looking to enhance their production efficiency. Witness the majestic scene of ship spotting as 300-meter-long crude oil tankers make their way to Russian ports from the Dardanelles. This critical strait remains a key route for Russian crude oil exports despite Western obstructionism. This ain't your average delivery truck. Hunish is hauling not one, but 2 massive loads from Serov to Sudomyazhitsk. These things are huge, with the larger one clocking in at 96 tons. It's like watching a pair of elephants on wheels. Hunish is showing off their heavy hauling muscle, navigating these behemoths through tight spaces and challenging terrain. This is what happens when engineering meets pure power. In the midst of a huge downpour, Marine One lifted off for a flight to Delaware. The takeoff was as smooth as it gets. Kudos to the pilot who rose, hovered, rotated in place, and then departed with precision. No extra moves, no shortcuts, just a flawless, gentle ascent. Bet the president hardly felt a thing.
I got soaked.
2024 straw bales shipped. With good weather and a bountiful harvest, the operation ran smoothly. Using advanced machinery and equipment for packaging and transportation, the fleet included Scania R420, Scania R540, Scania R450, Bobcat TL3570, and Bobcat TL26.60, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Watching the heavy Liebherr R960 high-reach demolition excavator being loaded onto an oversized transport is impressive. After tearing down an old production building, this giant needs to move to its next job site. While it's nice equipment, the operator should avoid using it for sorting materials on the ground. This task is better suited for the smaller machines on site, as the Liebherr is too expensive to operate for such a job. Let's take 30 seconds to dive into the madness of Cine Truck Show 2023. You it talked. Cine was electric. Truck drivers put on a show, entertaining the crowd with roaring Scania V8s, open pipes, and billows of black smoke. It was great to see the Cornish legend among them. All these trucks were truly show quality. Looks like an excellent recovery by crews that knew what they were doing. The right people and the right equipment makes it look easy. What a cumbersome rescue operation. Thankfully, everything worked out in the end. Unbelievable how they managed to get that crane up right after it fell. What a surprising and impressive feat. He's too lazy to move. He disembarked the truck like it was an everyday occurrence. That's some serious skill and confidence. And they captured a once-in-a-lifetime shot. Absolutely stunning. From the outside, it might look like a simple task to recover that excavator, but I was way off. The recovery was amazing. It's not as straightforward as it appears. Excellent work and teamwork.
Well, I don't think we're going down. Oh, for real. Good. There it is, that's it. Leave it. We are out of here. We got flipper put away. Let's get all our change.
Before hitting the road, always make sure the truck bed is lowered. Safety first. Never overlook this important step. Good operator. Yes, he did get into a situation, but he got out with no outside assistance. Watch the extreme skills in action as an oversized lorry load navigates a roundabout. With one lead heavy haulage truck and 4 more at the rear, presumably for brakes, this abnormal load, a massive turbine, is the first of 3 being transported from Newport Docks to Hirwaun Power Station in South Wales. It's a jaw-dropping scene as this colossal load maneuvers through the valleys and roundabouts of South Wales with precision and expertise. Witness the majestic scene of ship spotting as 300-meter-long crude oil tankers make their way to Russian ports from the Dardanelles. This critical strait remains a key route for Russian crude oil exports despite Western obstructionism. This ain't your average delivery truck. Hunish is hauling not 1, but 2 massive loads from Serov to Sudomyazhitz. These things are huge, with the larger one clocking in at 96 tons. It's like watching a pair of elephants on wheels. Hunish is showing off their heavy hauling muscle, navigating these behemoths through tight spaces and challenging terrain. This is what happens when engineering meets pure power. In the midst of a huge downpour, Marine One lifted off for a flight to Delaware. The takeoff was as smooth as it gets. Kudos to the pilot who rose, hovered, rotated in place, and then departed with precision. No extra moves, no shortcuts, just a flawless, gentle ascent. Bet the president hardly felt a thing. Snigging with the timberjack skidder on extreme slopes is an adrenaline-pumping endeavor. Each maneuver brings a moment of tension, reminding all to prioritize safety above all else. Witnessing the long Tatra logging truck operate on a heavy snow day, effortlessly navigating the snow-covered road was impressive. This delivery beast went on to load 45 cubic meters of timber onto its bed with a self-loading crane like it was a piece of cake. In a jaw-dropping display, the rental Caterpillar 349F tackled massive stumps on a major clearing project, its 61-inch bucket showcasing the sheer size of the challenge. Yet, a $250,000 machine without a thumb for stumps? Thank goodness for cheap fuel. A thrilling glimpse of the T-skidder, the self-driving skidder tethered by a T-winch 30.2, showcases its ability to navigate obstacles and drive in a different direction from the winch. Far from taking away a job, this innovation offers incredible benefits over a standard skidder. It's far more maneuverable, fitting into tighter spaces, and enhances safety by venturing into dangerous areas without risking an operator's injury. People just resist new things, but this one's a game changer. Around 11 a.m., a truck driver veered off the road for unknown reasons, prompting an urgent call for help. The operations manager assessed the situation and immediately summoned the Vöcklabruck Fire Department's crane task force. With precision and power, the Vöcklabruck crane's cable winch successfully hauled the truck back onto the road. Witness the impressive return of Collette & Sons ballast wagons and modular axles, laden with truss sections from Allerton steel. After a meticulous journey from North Yorkshire, 5 ballast trucks rolled into Collette's heavy lift terminal in Gould. These behemoths will now embark on a just-in-time delivery mission to London, showcasing the precision and coordination that defines Collette & Sons. Behold the colossal journey of the giant red Phone Arbogay, masterfully transported by a man tractor. This specialized heavy-duty marvel, designed for the heaviest of loads, boasts a staggering gross vehicle weight of up to 600 tons, 545 tons, and an impressive width of up to 4.5 meters, 14.8 feet. Witness the sheer scale and power of transport engineering at its finest. Witness the Antonov An-124 Ruslan, a true marvel of engineering, as it transports an Excavator mobile substation weighing over 90 tons to Buenos Aires, Argentina, for Edesur. This behemoth was loaded and took off from Francisco Sacarnero Airport in Porto. International cargo transport at its finest, courtesy of Antonov Design Bureau and Power Via. It's impressive. Even watching it, it's hard to believe it can manage to take off with such an immense load. Collette & Sons, heavy haulage in Halifax transported an air liquide tank down the A34 in Stone, Staffordshire, with expert precision. While Staffordshire police did an excellent job managing the operation, traffic congestion was inevitable, and the vehicles behind had to crawl along at a snail's pace. This video is a masterclass in engineering and logistics. The way Universal Transport coordinates the movement of these massive tanks is like a symphony orchestra, with every instrument playing its part perfectly. The specialized trailers, the meticulously planned routes, the synchronized movements. It's a testament to their expertise and dedication. They're not just moving cargo, they're orchestrating a masterpiece. Wow, witnessing a 355-ton abnormal load squeezing through the narrow streets of Leeds is mind-blowing. It's incredible how they managed to maneuver such massive equipment with precision. I bet many drivers wish they had started their journey just 2 minutes earlier that day. The stress on the steel and tires around those bends is intense. Did you hear all that creaking and banging? I've seen a tire burst under that kind of pressure before, and I wouldn't want to be as close as some of the onlookers were. Watching the Oshkosh M1070 climb that slippery mountain in such treacherous conditions is jaw-dropping. Never driven one myself and probably never will, but it's clear something's off here. If the driver had engaged the diff lock, those tires wouldn't be spinning, and we wouldn't have this intense 6-minute lesson in overcoming challenges. Witnessing Rolf Riedel Transport's operation to pick up the massive Bauer BG-18H rotary drilling rig from Palms is truly impressive. Using the robust MB-4160 MP3-884 Titan with a Newboom 2.4 low loader, they navigated the tight City Nord construction site at Kapstadring in Hamburg. The precision and skill required for this complex haul is a testament to their expertise in heavy transport logistics. Oh my goodness, is there something wrong with that heavy truck or its driver? Dude, this is epic! This video is like a scene out of a movie, with a massive distillation column snaking its way through the German countryside. The sheer scale of this operation is awe-inspiring. I can't even imagine the logistics involved in pulling this off. Whoa, check out the size of that beast. That Doosan DX800LC7 excavator is an absolute monster. It's like something out of a Transformers movie. Watching Martrain Heavy Haulage move this behemoth is a sight to behold. You can really appreciate the scale and power of this machine when you see it in motion like this. The scale of this operation is mind-blowing, and the precision needed to move a 660-ton load is incredible. This video raises intriguing questions about the future of heavy hauling. As energy demands grow, will we see even larger transformers transported? What innovations will meet these challenges? The heavy haul industry is constantly evolving, and I'm excited to see what's next.
Witnessing two Iraq's trucks in Dubai handle the heavy haulage for a solar park was truly astonishing. The Al Faris group tackled the colossal task of transporting 10 massive tanks across the city, relying on two powerful Iraq's trucks capable of hauling up to 250 tons. With 240 tires on the trailer and 30 axles times 8, Mercedes proved its unmatched excellence once again. In a dramatic display of engineering prowess, a temporary iron bridge costing Rs 4 crore was constructed in just 10 days inside the Narmada Canal on the Tharadvav Highway, Gujarat. This bridge, built to handle two colossal, machinery-laden vehicles, groaned under the weight and danger as they passed over it.
Wow, watching a heavy haul truck leave the port of Tucson with a 427,000 lb transformer is a sight to behold. It's like those jokes men make about their wife's vacation suitcase weighing nearly that much. What a colossal load. Wow, witnessing a 30-ton gasoline truck recovery in the Sahara Desert with 3 man-cats is mind-blowing. The Holland Africa Tour's heavy recovery, powered by 900 HP, navigates the Sahara sand with sheer determination. During the Morocco Desert Challenge, the fuel truck, aiming to reach camp, veered off the official track and got stuck. The recovery effort used as much fuel as the truck carried, but man, that cat sound is unmatched. This video is a masterclass in engineering and logistics. Navigating those switchbacks under the Chervenohorsky saddle with a 156-ton load, that's like threading a needle with a bulldozer. Nosredi's team of experts is clearly at the top of their game, overcoming every obstacle with skill and precision. They're not just moving cargo, they're conquering mountains. Wow. Witnessing a 165-ton autoclave for the German Aerospace Center in Stade was jaw-dropping. The MAN 41.680 TGX, paired with an 18-axle Goldhofer THP trailer, skillfully navigated through the narrow streets of Stadterson, crossed the A26, and rolled through Stade's bustling downtown. This massive operation is a must-see for anyone fascinated by heavy transport. Check this out! The Cat 320 amphibious excavators are being launched into the Glomma River in Sarpsborg, Norway. Watching these machines transform from land to water is incredible. The engineering behind these amphibious excavators is truly fascinating. The tires of a giant truck rose into the air as it broke down while climbing a hill in Panipat City, Haryana. This 122-tire behemoth had just reached the toll crossing when chaos ensued. The transportation scene here is really something else, and the unexpected breakdown only added to the drama. It's quite a sight to see. Trafo transport by Fa, Baumann, in Hala an der Saale. Oh wow, what an incredible sight. Thumbs up. This power plant step-up transformer usually weighs around 400 tons. Truly awesome. Moving wind turbine parts takes a ton of diesel fuel. Ironic, isn't it? Maybe they should have tried a solar-powered truck. Never give up. Wow, what a sight! Watching the transportation of an 80-ton Boeing 727 through busy, narrow highways is jaw-dropping. This massive move from OR Tambo Airport on a 24-axle trailer is a true spectacle of engineering and logistics. Watching the 7G and 6 S core once were giants each 1,040 kilo and measuring 15.55 meters long, 3.65 meters wide, and 3.96 meters high make for a crazy setup. The breathtaking route and stunning flycam footage just add to the drama. Whoa, this is what I call heavy metal on the move. That 460-ton tank and 53 meters long is a beast, and seeing it dwarf those cars on the highway is insane. But when it appears in a crowded city, it is even more impressive. Big shout out to the crew that pulled this off. Talk about precision driving. I've always been fascinated by oversized loads, and this one takes the cake. Buckingham's 2020 Kenworth W990 hauling a massive transformer on a Trail King 19-axle trailer is a sight to behold. With years of driving Kenworth trucks, I know they handle like a dream with minimal issues, but it's absurd that the only route out of the Port of Baltimore for oversized loads is so challenging. That transformer must be packed with a ton of copper to need 19 axles. Volvo A40 articulated dump truck was stuck deep in the mud, and just when it seemed impossible, the bulldozer showed up to pull it free, turning a dire situation into a jaw-dropping rescue.
Whoa! Look at Sticky Dude.